Softeners. Softeners are words or phrases that soften the impact of a message and make it more palatable to the listener. The main agenda being to seem humble. They take many forms, but they generally serve to reduce the perceived intensity of a statement, make it sound more tentative or hypothetical, or convey a sense of empathy or understanding. Some examples of softeners include phrases like, in my opinion, I think, perhaps, maybe, it's possible that, and some people say, as a marketer, using softeners can be an effective way to engage with your audience and build rapport. By acknowledging the potential objections or concerns that your target might have, you can create a more conversational tone and establish yourself as someone who is on their side. This can help to increase the likelihood that they will trust your message and take action based on your recommendations. Additionally, using softeners can help to avoid sounding overly aggressive or confrontational, which can turn readers off and lead to a negative association with your brand. By taking a more gentle approach, you can create a more positive and welcoming environment for your audience, which can ultimately lead to greater success in your marketing efforts. Of course, it's important to use softeners strategically and not overdo it. If you rely too heavily on softeners, your message may come across as wishy-washy or insincere, which can also undermine your credibility. However, when used appropriately and in moderation, softeners can be a powerful tool for creating effective and persuasive marketing that resonates with your target audience.
Examples. In my opinion, I believe, it's possible that, perhaps, maybe, to some extent, to a certain degree, it's worth considering. One could argue that. Some people say, from what I've seen, it's worth noting that, I'm of the mind that, to some degree, I think, I'm inclined to believe, to some extent I suspect, it's not unreasonable to assume, to a certain extent, it's likely that, in all likelihood, it's my impression that, it's my understanding that, I'd like to suggest, it's worth mentioning that, it's fair to say that, I'd venture to guess, to some degree I feel, I'd like to propose. It's worth considering the possibility that, it's not outside the realm of possibility, it's possible to imagine that. It's conceivable that, it's not impossible that, I'm inclined to think, I'd like to offer the idea that, it's worth acknowledging that, it's worth taking into account that, it's worth keeping in mind that, it's worth remembering that, it's worth bearing in mind that, it's worth reflecting on the fact that, it's worth noting that there are some who believe, it's not unheard of for, some might argue that, some contend that, it's been suggested that, it's been said that, it's been hypothesized that, it's been theorized that, it's been rumored that, it's been speculated that, one possibility is that, one potential explanation is that, one theory is that, one hypothesis is that, one could imagine that, it's not out of the question that, it's not beyond the realm of possibility that, it's not inconceivable that, it's not implausible that, it's not unlikely that, it's not improbable that, it's possible that some might argue, it's possible that some would say, it's possible that some believe, it's possible that some contend, it's possible that some suggest, it's possible that some speculate, it's possible that some hypothesize, it's possible that some theorize, it's possible that some propose, it's possible that some imagine, it's possible that some suspect, it's possible that some feel, it's possible that some think, it's possible that some would argue, it's worth considering that some might argue, it's worth taking into account that some might say, it's worth remembering that some believe, it's worth bearing in mind that some contend, it's worth reflecting on the fact that some suggest, it's worth noting that some speculate, it's worth acknowledging that some hypothesize, it's worth keeping in mind that some theorize, it's worth considering the possibility that some propose.
A Skeleto.com course.